Here at Oklahoma City University's Minder School of Business, we have really 5 graduate programs. We have the Master of Business Administration, we have the Master of Science in Energy Management, we have a Master of Science in Energy Legal Studies, a Master of Science in Accounting, and we have a Healthcare Administration Graduate Certificate. We utilize something called a Cdr Assessment. What it does is it brings self-awareness and it gives you a better understanding of who you are. And from there, we can look at strategies to accelerate your career or to find a best fit for you.
The Masters in Energy Management focuses on the underlying core business principles of the industry: economics, accounting, operations, and legal studies focuses more on the legal principles underlying the industry: contract law, property law, environmental law. Both tracks, though, give students the opportunity to delve into leadership. They actually both start with the same course, which is an overview of the energy industry, and gives them an opportunity to see it at altitude and to think about how it all fits together as a whole. That it is an entire global industry and really gives them that background and substantive knowledge, but also gives them an opportunity to take a look at what it means to be a leader in the industry, what it takes to be a leader currently, what it takes to be a leader in the future.